Welcome to the Philippines, a foreigner's way of life. This is how a 2-year-old is trying to learn how to screw in a screw. He saw Daddy do it. Now he wants to do it. I know it. Take your time. I know the video is a little dark, but it's after midnight. And it's dark outside. Oops, he almost got it. He wouldn't let me help. He won't let me hold the screw. Wouldn't let me help hold the screwdriver. It's actually a Phillips, so. He's been now at it over 5 or 6 minutes now. I decided I better grab the phone and video it. Ah, did you get it? Ah.
No.
You can do it. You want me to help? Hmm? Here. Alright, now turn it. You can do it. From in my hand it dropped. Patience. You can do it, baby.
No.
You don't think so? Hmm? Get the there you go. Right ideal anyway, huh? You know, we can't do this all night. Now it's time to go to bed. Mama wants us to come to bed.
No.
Huh? Up there? What's up there? Can we go to bed now? You're sleepy.